with FUM! Hello, friends! It's me, Fum the Clay Guy. Today we will explore the magic of division with these 8 delicious clay pizzas. Let's get started! Imagine you're having a pizza party with your friends. And guess what? We have exactly 8 pieces of pizza to share. But how do we make sure everyone gets their fair share? First, we need to divide this pizza. Let's say we have 4 friends, Elisa, Bella, Esther, and Danny, and we want to share evenly. That means we have 4 people in total. So we will give each of our 4 friends 1 piece of pizza at a time. 1 for Elisa, 1 for Bella, 1 for Esther, and finally, 1 for Danny. Great! Each friend has 1 piece of pizza. Now let's give each friend another piece. So again, 1 for Elisa, 1 for Bella, 1 for Esther, and finally, 1 for Danny. Fantastic! Each friend got 2 pieces of pizza. And look, we do not have any remainder. So, here's the scoop. 8 pieces of pizza divided among 4 friends means each friend gets 2 pieces of pizza, which is the concept of division. So, here we go. As you can see, the division makes sharing pizza fair and fun, right? Hello again! I hope this video helped you understand division better. If it did, give yourself a high five. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future fun. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, math is like pizza. Even when it's bad, it's still pretty good. Catch you later!